I guess you're watching this video because your computer is running with an issue here. As you're trying to open a program you've recently installed, this error arrived. The program can start because the api-ms, whatever the name is, .dll is missing from your computer. It's a very common issue, and all you need to do is watch this video patiently and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for the internet.dll. You can choose any results and choosing the first one. It's not sponsored, but I'll still put the link in the description. You can see few download options based on the architecture and version. To know your architecture and version, click on Start and search for system information. You can see mine is 64-bit and I'm updated, so I'll be downloading from the top. I strongly recommend you to read this page. It has multiple fixing methods also. With the download complete, hit open. We can see two files. One is the DLL and other one is readme. In order to move the DLL, first open this PC, new volume C, Windows, and find a folder name System32. This is the home of 32-bit DLLs. Now drag a DLL and drop. I have already done this, so they are asking me to replace, and hit continue to give administrator access. Before we proceed, let's check by typing the file name. You can see the file is properly placed in the folder right now. So job done for 32-bit. You can go and restart your computer. If you are 64-bit users, open this PC one more time, local disk C, Windows, and this time find a folder named syswall64. This is the home of 64-bit DLLs. Now click on the zip file, drag the DLL and drop. Same again. Check this one more time. Yeah, the file is properly placed in the folder. And finally, restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if the error still occurs, you need to download and install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and install your program kit, and that will surely do it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.